So let's understand this chapter in detail. I will go apart from the textbook and explain you this chapter. We're going to go into the detail of the concepts. If you understand what I speak, you will love this chapter. You will enjoy this chapter. It is the most interesting chapter in the entire textbook, but it is difficult. But let's make the concept simple. Nothing is difficult until it is made simple. And I will make it simple for you all. Let's start with the first part of electric spark. That is the current. Or I will say the electric current. So the first part I am going to do is electric current. This is about the current I am writing. Usme se first part electric current. The second, current flow in a wire. Current flow in a wire. And the third part which I am going to do is ampere. Definition. What is ampere? What is the definition? Entire thing I will tell you. These are the three topics which are related to just current. Okay, let's understand ये electric current है क्या, कहाँ से आता है electric current, what does it do? Let's understand everything in detail. Now students, you must have always seen an atom. When I'm talking about, this is the nucleus of an atom. You know, nucleus consists of protons and neutrons, right? Protons are positively charged, neutrons are no charge. They have no charge at all. So tell me, protons positive है और न्यूट्रॉन्स नो चार्ज, तो कैन आई से स्टूडेंट्स कि ये जो मेरा न्यूक्लियस है ना, इट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, बिकॉज पॉजिटिव एंड नो चार्ज विल इवेंचुअली गिव मी अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम. ओके, नाउ देर आर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सेंटर विच इज द न्यूक्लियस के, न्यूक्लियस इज एट द सेंटर एंड देर आर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्विंग इन ऑर्बिट्स. This is the first orbit, second orbit, and it keeps on going. In chemistry, I have explained all these things in extreme detail. So now students, can I say, I have electrons out here. Just random number of electrons मैंने डाल दिया है. And electrons है ना, क्या होता है students? Electrons are never stationary. They are not at rest. They are continuously moving slowly. They are rotating around the center, which is the nucleus. Why are electrons continuously rotating? Why are not they stationary? There is a big concept behind this जो textbook या किधर भी explain नहीं किया होगा. Just see this concept. अगर समझो, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अपनी जगह पे ऐसे खड़े रह गए, स्टेशनरी, दे आर नॉट मूविंग, इफ दे आर स्टैंड अलोन एट देयर ओन पोजिशंस, व्हाट विल हैपन इज, न्यूक्लियस इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज, आई जस्ट टोल्ड, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नेगेटिव चार्ज. तो क्या होगा, देयर इज ऑलवेज एन अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द पॉजिटिव एंड द नेगेटिव. तो व्हाट विल हैपन इज, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है ना, जो खड़े रह गए, स्टेशनरी है, दे विल be attracted by the positive nucleus and they will come and they will collide with the nucleus, because you know, unlike charges attract and like charges repel. Positive will always attract with negative. तो electrons क्या होगा, attract करने जाएंगे and they will fall into the center which is the nucleus. And if the electrons fall into the nucleus, what will happen is there will be a big explosion. Such an explosion where probably no one can survive. लगते हैं ये लोग इतने छोटे atoms और electrons, but the energy they contain is impeccable. You will feel कि sir इतना छोटा minute atom है, which is like microscopic. You cannot see with the naked eye this atom, but they have so much of energy in them that if any of the electron falls into this, it may create a huge explosion, just as good as a great nuclear bomb. Are you getting it? So what is happening is God has created it wonderfully. What has He done? Continuously the electrons are revolving. तो electrons की जो energy है ना, instead of falling and colliding into the nucleus, their energy is wasted. I won't say wasted. Their energy is utilized in moving around the nucleus. तो हमेशा दो चीज याद रखो. Electrons are never stationary. Stationary मतलब they are never fixed. Second, electrons are continuously rotating. अराउंड व्हाट, अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. एंड व्हाई आर दे रोटेटिंग, पता चला क्योंकि